H2o.TITANIUM was founded in 1997. Its headquarters is in Museros, in the region of Valencia, Spain, from where we have been beating Legionella since 1998. What is our philosophy? To recognise that water is a limited resource. To contribute to reducing or even eliminating chemical use. To extend water's useful lifetime, if possible. To respect and protect our environment. To protect our customers' equipment. To support companies to be environmental world leaders. And to be sufficiently competitive to support companies towards sustainable goals. How does H2o titanium technology work? H2o titanium reactors are similar to UV equipment, but they also produce hydroxyl radicals. The reactor body consists of a set of concentric cylinders made of titanium dioxide, with interspersed ultraviolet lamps. When titanium surfaces are irradiated with UV light, hydroxyl radicals are generated. Each hydroxyl radical is a very unstable molecule, with the highest redox potential, higher than any biocide. It reacts up to 1 billion times faster than ozone, for example. Hydroxyl radicals are the best for breaking carbon-carbon bonds. Why use H2o titanium in cooling towers? The technology breaks carbon-carbon bonds. Organic contaminants are transformed into carbon dioxide and water. Therefore, microorganisms, having cell walls of organic molecules, are killed and cannot develop resistance. The bacterial population is reduced by a factor 1,000 times more than when using chemicals, and biofilm is similarly reduced. Stability? No adjustments are needed. Confidence. Cooling towers will be permanently under control. No unpleasant surprises. H2o titanium. Better, cleaner, cheaper. How does your investment in H2o titanium benefit the planet and your company? Sustainability. Your company will contribute to a greener future. The hygiene of your cooling towers will be the best. Protect your brand from the consequences of the appearance of Legionella as never before. Leadership. Lead by example. Low capital and operating costs. Our technology is for the long term, with an expected operating life in excess of 10 years. Operating costs are much lower than those associated with biocide use, which include the cost of chemicals, storage, labour costs, and emergency cleaning routines. Peace of mind. No more worries or emergency interventions.